How do you clean difficult upholstery? This brand new Civic has black upholstery everywhere. It also had dog fur and minor staining on the seats and center armrest. Now, why did Honda design the center armrest with this cloth? Well, I don't know, but it's certainly a design flaw. It's the worst area to have cloth. But it's here, so let's show you how to clean it. Now, we prefer to steam this cloth instead of using an extractor, which would oversaturate the areas unnecessarily. Now be gentle and don't oversaturate or brush too aggressively. The white drill brush that we're using is much softer and agitates without damaging the fabric. I hope you're enjoying these videos. If so, please subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. Now, as we move on to the carpets, they need lots of vacuuming and brushing to release the dog hair and dirt particles. Vacuuming usually takes the longest, but take your time. It will be worth it. And you're right, I'm not using an extractor on these carpets or seats. Why would I? They don't need it. Therefore, I will not oversaturate the fabrics just to please a few viewers. This channel is designed for detailers and people who want to learn how to be better detailers and to be successful in their business. So you will see us perform these details as one should in the real world, not as a YouTube detailer. Don't feel that you have to extract everything all the time. Use discernment and decide for yourself whether you need to use an extractor or not. Usually, steam is going to be the best way to clean. But remember, if you're running a business, time is money, and doing something that is unnecessary will cost you in the end. But you decide for yourself. When cleaning these mats, we flip them over and tamp the back of the mat to release all of that sand. Now do this as many times as you need to remove the sand. However, it may not come out completely, but it will be outstandingly better. And no, an extractor will not remove the sand either. When sand is wet, it clings to the fabric. It's better to tamp or blow out the sand before using any cleaners. Now enjoy the aftershots. No, this is not a stain, it's a cigarette burn. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. Give it a like and share with others who may enjoy it. We'll see you next time. Have a great week. Take care.